Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to stop people tagging me in Facebook. Open Facebook app. Tap on menu bar. Swipe up. Tap on setting. Go to profile and tagging. In viewing and sharing option, tap on who can post on your profile. Select only me option. Again in reviewing option. On both reviewing option provided. Now if someone tag you, you can review the post before appear on timeline. If someone tag you, go to notification. Tap on timeline notification. Now you can allow the post in your timeline. Or you can delete it or ignore it. In this way you can stop people tagging you in Facebook.